Hey everybody, welcome. Thanks for joining me. First, I want to apologize. I know I've been kind of absent last few weeks. I've just had a lot going on personally, but yeah, we'll get there. And it's gonna be a short video because I've been meaning to do this for a long time, and it's my first giveaway. And I was gonna do a 250 subscriber and a 500 subscriber, but I'm past all those and trying to figure out a reason why to do one. And I figured just do it because I've been meaning to for a long time. So yeah, and I apologize at the beginning because I got to keep this one for just the guys and gals in the United States, because it is a small kit of axe, abrasive sanding paste, and polish restoring paste. They're both 3 ounces. But I talked to Tom at Axe, and he said shipping is kind of an issue. It could be quite expensive, and even when it gets to you, sometimes you have to pay extra over there just to receive it, and I don't want to do that to you guys. I'll have another one coming up in the next few weeks. It's gonna be for everybody. So, but this one is just gonna be for the U.S. people. Again, I'm sorry, just cost prohibitive. So anyway, to get it, you don't have to be a subscriber or anything. All you do is comment yes please, and I will do the little random comment generator thing on Friday, and I'll post that video and pick who it is. And so yeah, I think that's all. If you are a subscriber, I appreciate it, and if you're not but you keep watching, I appreciate that too. I just take any support I can get. So yeah, just comment yes please, and you'll be in for it. So I'll see you on the next one.